Hello learners, in this video we are going to learn how to print a table heading on every page. Okay, let's see how to do this. We know the shortcut for print. So I press Ctrl plus P. Now print preview is visible so you can see the table. I go to next page. The table heading is not visible. In this situation, you need to follow these steps. Now, I go to page layout menu, then click print titles. Page setup dialog box will open. Then click rows to repeat at top. Then select the row that you want to print on every page. Now click OK. Now you press Ctrl plus P. The table heading is printed on every page. Thank you for watching. If you like this session, please hit a like button guys. Subscribe to this channel.